What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good early afternoon from Johannesburg, South Africa. Hope everybody's doing well, guys. We're going to go over our friend Bitcoin. Currently, it's holding the critical indicator that we went over in our last video, so I wanted to get into that. We're sitting at 42,580. We're down about 1.8% on the day. We're sitting in a market cap of 798 billion. 24-hour volume is 45.6 billion. Hey guys, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app, my favorite app for investing. They've partnered with the UFC. You get $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So the first thing I want to talk about on the 1 hour time frame is our bullish divergence. We're seeing a nice pump with the alts. Let me just quickly change this here. We can see like AMP is up 10%, IOTA 10%, Phantom, one of my favorite coins to trade right now, up 10%, Matic up 8%, Chili's up 9%. So a nice little bounce here with this bullish divergence that we've been going over the last couple of days. Lower highs on the price chart, higher lows on the RSI, signifying the bears are losing strength and the bulls are taking control. Now I have drawn my head and shoulders on a slant here. We do have some analysts that are drawing their neckline right here. But in my opinion, the head and shoulders is on a bit of a slant here. So your neckline is basically coming in at about 43071. So if we can get a throwback, we're currently back above the 20 EMA, and we can get back above the EMAs and we get back above the neckline, we could see that continuation to the upside. However, of course, if we just get rejected by the EMAs and by the neckline, we could roll over. We still have our technical target, 37.8K from this head and shoulders. But what I want to show you guys here is the weekly time frame and the 21-week moving average. This is the moving average that we've all been keeping a very, very close eye on. As when we fall under it and we start back testing it as resistance, I'll give a little example here. It starts to come like this. We fall underneath, we start to back test. It's a strong signal that will go into a bear market. But as of right now, we're holding it as support right at that 42.2K level. So if we can hold support here and we start to trend back upwards, we're good to go. We're going to see that continuation on this bull run. However, if we do come down to 37.8K, I would expect us to bounce back rather quickly and get back above the 21-week moving average, because we do not want to start closing below it on the weekly. It does signify we would head into a bear market. So it's something to keep a very, very close eye on. If we bounce from here, we're good to go. We're going to see continuation all the way up to 100K and beyond, in my opinion. So it's very crucial times right now. If we do fall below, what we want to see is a quick bounce back up above the 21-week moving average and see that continuation. Because if we lose 37.8 and we start going down to the low 30Ks, we start back testing this 21-week moving average as resistance, will send us into a bear market. All right, guys. So nice little bounce here for Bitcoin. Beautiful to see us back above the 20 EMA. We need to get back above the 55, break this neckline to see this continuation. However, guys, if we come up, we get rejected, we roll over. Do expect 37.8K, the technical target from our head and shoulders. Let me move this up a little bit. Come on, little bugger. 37.8. All right, there we go. So that's it for Bitcoin, guys. If you'd like to trade Bitcoin along with many other coins, check out Bybit. They're currently giving away free crypto, up to 3,500 free Bit tokens. If you want to learn more about the event, click my links. Sign up to Bybit, only takes 1 minute, and come up and click Bit event to have your chance to earn some free crypto. You also earn up to $600 in bonuses just for signing up through my referral. All right, guys, check out the Discord. You can follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.